So first thing is what? Who is an independent director? First of all, it is defined under section 149 subsection 6. This is the definition. Next is independent director is who? See your notes, what is it mentioned? Other than MD, WTD, nominee. So means any managing director will never be a independent director. Any whole-time director will never be a independent director. Any nominee director will never be a independent director. Now quickly tell me, who is a managing director? Person who sees the day-to-day affair, he is having the main control. Okay, he is the main executive director. So he will never be called independent. Apro next is whole-time director. Whole-time director yaar hai? Full-time director is involved into the day-to-day affairs of the company. Like an employee, he comes to the office morning till evening and he takes care of all the work. He can only be a whole-time director in only one company. If I am a whole-time director in Shilpi's Academy Private Limited, I cannot be a whole-time director in other companies because day-to-day affairs dana or company ki dana paaka mudiyum. Idile or exception irukke, which will be explained later. Exception yenana, a company, if I am a company, whole-time director of a company, I can be a whole-time director of a subsidiary also of that. In the Madhya, exception irukke, which will be taught later. So independent director is a director who is not a MD, not a whole-time director and not a nominee director. Who is a nominee director? Nominee director yaar hai? Nominee director is, example, there is a company called A Limited, okay, or bank irke SBI Bank, alright. A Limited went and asked SBI Bank inake loan veno, okay. SBI Bank gave A Limited a loan of 100 crore, okay. Now A Limited is not able to pay back properly. After what will SBI Bank do? A Limited sonna inake 30 or 20 crore loan veno. SBI Bank is like, I'll give you the loan, but inake manager will be there, no? SBI Bank manager. He will come and sit on the board of directors of A Limited. So my manager will come and sit on your board, so that whatever decisions you take, even he will be sitting there and knowing everything. Till when will he be a director, or terms and conditions will be there? Till the time, till the time the loan is paid off, na, till that time he'll be sitting on the board. In the Madri Dana or condition will be there. So this person is known as what? Nominee director, because he's a nominee of SBI Bank. Can nominee director ever be an independent director? Why he cannot be an independent director? He has relationship with the SBI Bank actually. You are the manager of SBI Bank and you are sitting in A Limited. What is your main intention? SBI Bank has sent you, make sure our money we are able to take it from the company. Correct, Dana? Apro, will he think good about the company and the shareholders, or will he think about his bank? Apro, he can never ever be a independent director. Okay, independent director should be who does not have any personal interest and he is only thinking good about the company. But this guy who will come as a nominee director, he will only think, my bank has given money, that money should come back. Correct? So that is why nominee director will never ever be called a independent director. Alright. Next, basically an independent director is what director? Non-executive director. Always remember one thing. There is someone called, have you done Venn diagrams in your maths ever? Okay. So there is some director who is executive director, then there is some director who is non-executive director, right? Correct? Who will be independent director? Independent director will always be a non-executive director, correct? So say these people will be independent director. Are you able to understand what I am trying to say? Independent director is always non-executive, but non-executive may or may not be independent. Are you able to understand now what I am trying to say? this entire thing is non-executive director. In this only one part will be independent director. So people who are here are non-executive and independent. People who are here are non-executive only and not independent. Are you able to understand this? Next. Now, how will you understand what is the criteria for the independent directors? Number one, opinion of the board, he should be a person of integrity, expertise, experience. So, Reliance के board had a lot of directors. 10 directors were there. They had to appoint one director who was Arundhati Bhattacharya. Why she was appointed, you remember? Independent woman director. First sonna na woman director venu apro Neeta Ambani ki appoint panita. Apro change panita top 1000 listed company ledana independent woman director venu na apro they appointed one more person, Arundhati Bhattacharya. So she is an independent director. Why will you, when will you appoint an independent director? This entire board, the entire board of Reliance should feel Arundhati Bhattacharya dana integrity irke, integrity, honesty irke, experience irke, expertise irke. Experience all of you know, expertise dana skill irke. In the moon combination or pairle irke na, board will feel like that na, then only they will appoint her as a independent director. So will you remember this point? Who in the opinion of the board is integrity, experience, expertise. Next, such individual shall not be a related to promoter of company holding subsidiary associate. Who according to the, now if Reliance, they were planned, they appointed Neeta Ambani, right? First they appointed Neeta Ambani. Neeta Ambani is what? Related to promoter, correct? Can she be an independent director? No. Ipo Infosys company irke. Infosys company all of you have heard, right? Sudha Murthy all of you know. I told you people who was the founder of Infosys? Narayan Murthy, CEO. He was the founder of Infosys, hence known as promoter, correct? Ippo Narayan Murthy is not at all involved in Infosys, okay? The entire board of directors is different. He has kind of, you can say, retired from the company, okay? But he is still a promoter, yes or no, right? Do you remember the promoter definition? I have made you write the promoter definition. Now, this is the way I do revision also, okay? Whenever we are studying something, any word which you forget, go back and study. This is the best way to study Companies Act. Whatever things comes in between, no, go back and revise it. So where is the promoter definition? Here is the promoter definition. First chapter, I think I taught you definitions. Promoter is a person who is named in the prospectus or annual return. He has control over the affairs of the company. Control nahi hogar ke? Control is what? Definition of control. Ability to control, ability to appoint maximum number of directors. Your ability to control the composition of the board of directors. So either you have control over the affairs of the company, or you are named in the prospectus or annual return, or in accordance to whose advice, directions, instructions the board is accustomed to act. Exception is professional capacity. Do you remember this definition or not? Or grandfather irke ippome board le illa, but in whatever he tells na, same thing only board is following. Many times the owners are actually never on the board. It's only the employees who are on the board of directors. Appo employees control பண்ணுவாங்க company ke illa. Owner எந்த மாதிரி சொல்வாங்க na இதுதானா employees will be doing. So who is the promoter? It's actually the owners, according to whose advice the board of directors is doing the work. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Outside so many people will be there, right? For example, there are 10 people who are working under me. Now they are the board of directors. For example, I am not a part of the board of directors. Okay, I sit at home, I relax, whatever they want to do na. But if I will give any instructions, in the madri panikonga, board of directors will do that only. On the paper control le yaar irke, board of directors. But since I am the person who is sitting at home and I am the person who started and everything na, I will call and they will do whatever I am saying. Apro idike enna solvanga, I am the promoter. Why? Because whatever I am telling the board of directors, they are doing that only. So according to whose advice or directions, board is accustomed to act. What do you mean by accustomed to act? Used to act. For example, Dana, if your father wants to make any financial decision, they will ask someone whom they trust. In the madri panlama. Yes or no? Maybe his elder brother, or maybe some relative on the wife's end, or his father, some friend, someone is there, no, whom we will always ask. What they say na, we will say, Cheri, okay, we will do this. So that person in this company will be known as promoter. But professional capacity le advice kodupanga na, appo indha madri promoter illa. For example, if Reliance ke board ke you go as a legal advisor and give some advice, and they do that, will you become promoter in that? Because you are giving the advice as a professional capacity. Apro promoter illa. Is that okay for all? Understood? So this is what is a promoter. Now I think they've closed the net. Charge konja kamme irukana. Okay. If you see the Infosys promoter, you will get the answers. So some who will be an independent director, promoter irukena, he will not be independent. Ippo Narayan Murthy is not at all involved in Infosys board, but still he cannot be called as a independent director. Why? Because he is a promoter. Someone related to promoter, Sudha Murthy, Rishi Sonku, you know, the ex-UK Prime Minister. Yeah, you people don't read the news at all. What example should I give you people? Go to Google now and see. No? Now it has changed. Now he is not the Prime Minister. Please go to your how to switch on the Wi-Fi. Yaar. Please see your, please go on your phone and Google, no? Rishi Sunak. Whatever is his pronunciation. Sunak. You all got this? So he was his Narayan Murthy's Maple actually, right? He was his daughter's husband. So he is also related. Promoter ke related irke, right? So promoter ke related irke na. Can he be an independent director on the board? No. Promoter, related to promoter of the company, of the holding subsidiary associate, it is not possible. So what is this holding subsidiary associate, ma'am? See, Reliance ke promoter is whom? Who's the promoter for Reliance? Dhirubhai is no more, so Mukesh Ambani. Okay. Mukesh Ambani has a son, all of you know, he has many sons, but the person who got married recently, Anant Ambani, right? Correct? He is related to the promoter. Can he be an independent director on Reliance? No, he cannot be. Okay. Now, Reliance has a subsidiary company. That subsidiary company is known as what? Can he be an independent director on Jio Limited's board? No. He cannot be in the company also, in the holding also, in the subsidiary also, or in the associate also. Or company ke holding, subsidiary, associate, anywhere he cannot be a independent director because you are a promoter or related to the promoter. Is this absolutely clear? Why am I spending so much time in explaining this each and every point? Because it is important you get case study based questions. So get this very, very clear in your minds. Okay, if they tell you one story and you have to give the answer na, you should immediately be able to spot out. That is the independent director related to promoter in the subsidiary company related to, I mean, cannot be a independent director. Next, such individual who has or had no pecuniary relationship other than remuneration as a director or having transaction not exceeding 10% of his total income or such amount as may be prescribed with the same thing: company, holding, subsidiary, associate, promoter, director in the 2 preceding year and current financial year. Lot of things onna. We enna solranga ma'am. What all things they are telling. This is the point. Correct? What is pecuniary relationship? Any type of business relationship. What is pecuniary relationship? Any type of business relationship. Okay. Right now, with all of you sitting in this class, what is my relationship with you people? Teacher and student. You paid the fees, I am coming here, I am teaching you people. Do we have any other relationship over here? Anyone who's like, whose father is my uncle or whose father is invested into my business or I am selling something to you people. In the madri onno mein relationship illa. So what is our relationship? It is purely I am getting only the fees from you people. Correct? No other pecuniary relationship over here. It's not like I am doing business with your parents, they are doing business with me. So this is what is known as no pecuniary relationship. Are you able to understand this part? Any doubt? So here there is no pecuniary, it should not be no relationship other than, read this what I have written from blue, other than remuneration of independent directorship. Right now what you are, I am getting from you people is only fees. Correct? So same thing, if I am an independent director in Reliance, what I should get from Reliance is only my remuneration which I should get as a independent director. Independent directors ella ke salary kadayadu. Independent directors do not get any salary. Remember that very, very, very clearly. Salary dana, you will become an employee of the company. Employee of the company can never ever be independent. Correct dana? Whole time director ke dana salary they will get. Managing director na salary they will get. Apro dana they are not independent. Independent directors never get any salary. Then what will they get, ma'am? What remuneration they will get, ma'am? They get something which is called as sitting fees. I will explain later. Okay? Means for the board meeting that they come, for that attending that meeting they get something called a sitting fees. Second thing what they can, don't write down, later on when I explain I'll write it down for you. Second thing what they can get, ma'am, they will get IPO reimbursement of expenses. Supposing flight they came till Coimbatore, they stayed here, they attended the meeting, this all expenses will be taken care by the company. Third thing is, because of my ideas, opinions, if the company is getting any profits, they can give me some commission from that profit. Is that okay? So what will I get? Sitting fees, reimbursement of expenses and profit related commission. Salary madri onnome kadiyade. Yeah, no need to write that down. I will anyways give you the notes for all this thing. So what is this pecuniary relationship? No other relationship except director, independent director ke remuneration. Okay. And I should not have a pecuniary relationship with which all people? Okay. So means if I want to become an independent director on Reliance, I should not have any relationship with Reliance, subsidiary, holding, associate, Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Miss Neeta Ambani, Anant Ambani, or any of the directors on the board of Reliance, including Meswanis, Arundhati Bhattacharya. I should not have any pecuniary relationship with them. What is pecuniary relationship? Supposing I am having a legal advisory practice. That legal advisory practice I should not get more than 10% of my income in this year and the last 2 years from any of these people. You want me to explain this again? Example I'll give. Are you understanding anything? Behind you. You came late, no? You are a late joiner, right? That is why I'm asking. You are able to understand little bit? Any doubts? Stop me and ask. Okay, because this is an important part. Don't think I will go home and study and then it will be fine. Of course, you have to go home and study, then only it will become clear. But ask the doubt now itself for this chapter. Okay. So, supposing I am having a, what business should I put? Catering business. Who is a very well-known caterer in Coimbatore right now? Kumragurule, they are only supplying, I think. Correct, Dana? Madampatti, Dana? I went to Kumraguru, I saw there one day only. I am the owner of this company, Madampatti Catering Limited. Okay. Apro or company dana Reliance. Reliance is a company. Reliance ke there is one holding company also. Reliance ke there is one subsidiary company also. There might be one associate company also. Reliance ke promoter yaar hai Ambani. Just assume whoever Ambani. Reliance ke directors will be there, right? There are directors. Meswanis are another directors. Meswanis are actually the second owners of Reliance after Ambani. Okay, no one knows about Meswani, right? LRK Ambani the stereo, correct? Meswanis are actually the second owners. Two Meswani brothers are there on the board and they also hold a big chunk. Ambani family, na, then around 15-20%. Second owners they are only. So directors in Meswani, then there is an independent director also, Arundhati Bhattacharya is there, right? Yes or no? But this catering business, no, I am getting a turnover of 10 crore in a year. My total income from Madhampatti Catering Limited is 10 crore in a year. In this 10 crore, no, 1.5 crore catering is coming from Jio Limited. Jio Limited, we are providing catering services in Jio Limited. So 1.5 crore income is coming from which company? Jio Limited. Can I be independent director on Reliance? No. Because from subsidiary company, more than 10% of my total income is coming. Or Arundhati Bhattacharya and Meswanis give me more than. This year they did not give any business. Last year also they didn't give any business. But idike munnadi da na, like for example this. I am getting more than 10% total income in a year. Seen for this year and last 2 years. Alright. Director, I gave today and last 2 years. This year and last 2 years. The 3 years 10% ke male business if you have given me, na, I will not be an independent director. Are you able to understand this? Yes. to have this top knowledge only. They expect you to have very in-depth knowledge. And your questions are also like that. If you see the questions, you will understand. In the Madhuri question, you will be like, what all they are asking? They are asking very much real life case study based questions. So you have to have a very to be next time anyone tells me blood relation, no? Who told blood relation? You attended the last class or not? Is she your relative? She is not your relative. What is she then? Spouse is never a blood relation, but is she your relative? She is your relative. After what is this blood relation? Blood relation is what actually? Can someone define me? Last time also someone told blood relation. What is blood relation? What is blood relation? Brother, sister, okay. How many brother, sister? Own, first cousin, second cousin, father's side relatives, mother's side brother and sister. All are blood relation only, no? Correct, Dana? Apro, how many relatives you will have you ever thought? How many blood relatives you will have? Mother's sister's kid is also brother. Mother's cousin sister's kid is also brother. Yes, no? Mother's Anni's daughter is also sister. How many blood relations you will have then? It is possible under Companies Act. I just imagine how many relations to look for. Correct? So relatives is very much defined under Companies Act. What is relative? First of all, go back and see the definition of relative also. Relative ki definition hai. Correct. Good. But that is only half the definition. What is a relative? Number one. First of all, it is easy to understand. That's why I am telling. First is spouse, because it is not blood relation. Second thing is, no, not mother da. Members of HUF theriyo. HUF LRK theriyo, right? If you are a part of HUF, all the people in that HUF will be called your relative. Apro in the time le mothers, sisters, brothers, kid is also a part of HUF na, idi your relative da. Members of HUF da na relative. Spouse da na relative. Idi kya apro vare yare relatives? This is you. Who's on your top? Mother. Who's on the side? Spouse is already mentioned, so they are not on the side. Okay, brother, sister. Ki le yare? Son ke side le yare? Idi matta da relative irke. Yes, only this much is your relative. Is that clear? All adopted people are included. Adopted brother, adopted sister, adopted son, adopted daughter, all are relative da. Adopted means relative. Are adopted people your blood relative? No, but they are relative according to Companies Act. Okay, because you adopted them, na, you are giving them the same position like a brother. So they are also known as relative. Is that clear? Step. All of you know the meaning of step, right? Step, all are included except, good. Step daughter is not included. Why they are not included? I gave the reason in the last class. They forgot to add. Correct, really only. Step brother dana, step son dana, relative. Step daughter is not relative. Step brother, relative. Step sister, relative. Step mother, relative. Stepfather, relative. Ella relative da. Only step daughter is not mentioned. Will you remember who is a relative? Yeah? Okay. Now you read. None of whose relatives. Now you understand relatives. Now we'll move forward. Is holding any security or interest in the company or its holding subsidiary associate in the two immediately preceding financial year or during the current year, provided that the relative, this is added later actually, provided that the relative may hold security or interest in the company of face value not exceeding 50 lakh rupee or 2% of PSC as may be prescribed. Okay, now let's see the notes which I have made you write. This is your next point. Read this. Relative not be a shareholder. So what they are saying? Relative, no, he should not be a shareholder. First in the madri solna. Okay. But it is very, very tough for top listed companies where none of your relatives will be a shareholder. Relative, correct? Yes or no? Supposing I am wanting to get appointed in Reliance as an independent director. My brother has Reliance shares. After you reach a certain level, anyone who has shares, they will have mostly some amount of Reliance shares. My brother is having Reliance shares. Now how will I become independent director? I have to tell my brother, you sell your shares. He will say, why I will sell? I will not sell. Practically you think, yes or no? Then how I will become an independent director on the board? Apno they told, see, for big companies, no, everyone will have shares. If my brother is having 100 shares of Reliance, is he any influential person in Reliance? No. No. People are having, lakhs of people have 100, 200, 400, 500 shares. Correct? So it is not something very important. For that, I should not become independent director. In the madri major relationship illa for this. First, why they told na relative should not hold shares. Why na? My relative is holding shares, so I will not be independent for the company. I will only think for let the members' growth happen. I will allow fraud so that my shareholder only will get money. In the madri mindset it was. But actually there are lakhs and lakhs of shareholders. On jo shares irkena relatively, what is the difference? So then they added a thing. If he is having shares of up to face value 50 lakh or 2% of the paid up share capital, compare whichever is lower, that much shares if he is having, it is okay. My brother is having 1% shares of Reliance. 1% shares itself is of crores. He is having that much, but he is having how much percentage? 1%. No problem, I can be a independent director on the board. Are you able to understand this? Sure. This limits will you remember? 50 lakh, 2%, whichever is lower. Or if he is indebted, this gets over here itself, okay, this point. This thing is shareholderly, it means basically this only. He should not have any security or any security means no shares, stock, scrip, idiyella. Okay. Then it should not happen for company, holding, subsidiary, associate. Means my brother should, if I want to become an independent director in Reliance, my brother should not have more than 2% paid up share capital of Reliance, Reliance ke holding, Reliance ke subsidiary, Reliance ke associate. Is this absolutely clear? Yes or no? Clear? Any doubts? Can I move on to the next? Huh? Go on to the next point. Point is indebted. Indebted means what? What is indebted? Okay, what you are saying is half correct. Indebted basically means taken the loan. You may or may not default the payment, that is secondary. Loan vaangitena, you are indebted to the company. Debt lidana irkeninge, correct? I got loan from you, immediately I am indebted to you because I am in debt now. Are you able to understand this? So indebted to the company means what? You have got the loan from company, holding, subsidiary, promoter, director in excess of such amount as may be prescribed during the last 2 years or during the current financial year. Now let's see this. What is that amount which is prescribed? That amount is 50 lakh. If you or your relatives also have taken a loan from the company, holding, subsidiary, associate which is more than 50 lakh, you cannot be an independent director. Clear? This you have to check for current year and last 2 years. Everything you have to check for this year and last 2 years. Everything you have to check for company, holding, subsidiary, associate, some cases promoter and director also. Is that okay? Should not have taken any loan, provided any guarantee. I told you the difference of loan, guarantee, security last class. If you do not remember, please go back and go through that. It is important. Difference between loan. Who remembers? Loan means what? If I have got the loan, na means I have got the money. What is giving guarantee? You took the loan from me, father gave the guarantee. If he is not able to pay na, I will pay. Security is land irke, the security le vaangrenge and then you give the loan. Idana loan, guarantee, security. Moon case le dana liability comes for me. Correct? Guarantee le and security le liability may not come. Loan le kandipa it is a liability. Guarantee le it may not come. Okay? So this is what is your thing. Business relationship you should not have, means no business relationship should be there where you are getting more than 2% of the turnover from company, holding, subsidiary, associate. Same catering business madri. Here we are talking about the relatives. There I was talking about myself, 10% of my total income. Remember? relatives, then it is about me and relatives both. So what is me and relatives both? Hold or has held the position of KMP or employee in the last 3 years. See over here, previous 3 financial years, person or his relative, means both the people combined now we are talking of. Person or his relative should not have been a KMP or an employee. What is KMP now? Managing Director, Whole-Time Director, CEO, CFO, Company Secretary, one level below the Whole-Time Directors, such other officers as may be prescribed. Board, once they do, I'll show you the correct definition. One level below also, board's approval they have to get. Just now we saw, no, it was there, no definition, KMP ke. Yeah. This is your KMP. Other officer not more than one level below the whole-time director designated as KMP by the board. Okay. So these are all your KMPs. Now what they are saying? You or your relatives should not have ever held the post of a KMP in the company holding subsidiary associate in this year or the previous 2 years. This, if you notice, I have in any of the 3 financial years preceding the financial year proposed to be appointed. Before we were studying about current year plus previous 2 financial years. Here we are studying about previous 3 financial years. That is why I have given it in the heading also, if you notice. That is why in the heading itself I have given previous 3 financial years. Okay. So in this, person or his relative should not have been a KMP or an employee. Employee, what type of employee, ma'am? Normal employee irukna prachana irukuma illa indha madri periya prachana illa. What it is he has been employee of provided that in case of a relative, whenever you see all this, no, provided that, this all is actually added later. Because when they will make the law, then they will notice idilledana practically implement agade. Apro in that thing they will add provided that and put something. Are you able to understand why it gets complicated? Otherwise, first itself they could have told no, iduda. But first they made something else, then later they are adding because practical difficulties. Okay. So what is this provided that? Provided that if a relative who is an employee, the restriction will not apply for his employment during the first, what they told, you or your relative should not be a KMP or employee in the previous 3 financial years. Then they are saying previous 3 financial years ke relative employee irke na, okay, no problem. But this current yearly he should not be there. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand this or not? If the relative is a KMP, it is a problem. You are an employee in the previous 3 financial years, it is a problem. Relative is an employee in the previous 3 financial years, no problem. Currently irke, ama problem irke. Are you able to understand this part? So this is what is your 1 point. Next, is or has been an employee or proprietor or a partner in any of the 3 financial years preceding the financial year he has been appointed of. Can someone explain this point to me? Second point, CACS CMA audit firm. Read this and try to tell me what they are saying. Correct. So what they are saying is right only. என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, you or your relative, you people, company or company இருக்கு, or company will have a statutory auditor also. He is not an employee of the company. CA in practice he is, correct? Or statutory auditor இருக்கு, or CS firm or secretarial auditor இருக்கு, or giving freelance services whatever. CMA firm or cost audit பண்ணுவாங்க. So or company के or A limited company இருக்கு, I have a CA firm who is doing business with me. I have a CS firm also. I have a CMA firm also. Me or my relative, if we were partners or employees in those CA, CS, CMA firms, we can never be an independent director in the company holding subsidiary associate. Example. LG Ultra Limited. There is a CS firm called MDS LLP, which is giving CS services to this company. Okay. So over here, let's read this. Employee, proprietor, partner in the 3 financial years proposed, in which he is proposed to be appointed of firm of auditors, CS, cost auditor of the company holding subsidiaries. So MDS LLP gives CS services to LG Ultra Limited. Okay. MDS LLP के owner is Mr. MD Selvaraj. There is one more person who is the partner, C. Paramsivam. These both are what? Partners of MDS LLP. Okay. Then there are some employees also. Correct. So for example, there is an employee called John. Now, LG Ultra Limited has a subsidiary company called LG Rubber Limited. Okay. Can John be appointed as an independent director in LG Rubber Limited? He cannot be appointed. Alright. He is an employee of the CS firm which was giving services to the holding company. So he cannot be appointed in that company also, holding subsidiary associate also. Now, MDS LLP stopped giving the services to LG Ultra in 2024. Or John may be anything. John resigned from MDS LLP in 2024. Now can he become an independent director? No, not for the next. John resigned from MDS LLP, but now also he cannot become a independent director on any of this companies. Till how many years? Till, understood this now? Sure. Next point. Same thing, but here it is any legal or any consulting firm, and they should have had a transaction with the company of amounting up to or more of the gross turnover of the firm. So over here, this is a CS firm, right? So now in another example, LG Ultra Limited, MDS LLP is what? CS firm, right? Who is giving services, correct? Now there is one more, KSR LLP, which is providing legal advice. It's a legal firm, or it could be any other consulting firm, any other consultancy service they are giving. Maybe LG Ultra wants to start the business in Australia. So KSR LLP helps them to set up their business in Australia. They are consulting firm for that. Okay. In the Madri consulting firm, they gave consultancy to LG Ultra and they charged a fees of 1 lakh. Okay. KSR LLP ke, what is the gross turnover of KSR LLP? KSR LLP ke gross turnover is 70 lakhs. Is 1 lakh even 10% of 70 lakh? 70 lakh ke 10% evado irukke? 7 lakh. It is getting only how much? 1 lakh. And my turnover is how much? 70 lakh. Is LG Ultra a very important person then for me? Or 1% ke konjo jasti irukke, right? Maybe 2-3% I am getting business. Now can employee of KSR LLP become an independent director in LG Ultra? Yes. Is that okay? So what will we see? CA, CS, CMA firm cannot be. But for legal and consulting firm, more than 10% only cannot be. Otherwise, no issues. Is that okay? Yes or no? Next is what? More than 2% of total voting power. Let's read this. Holds together with his relatives. This is a very important point actually. Mark this important. Holds together with his relatives 2% or more of the total voting power of the company. Reliance itself will take. Shilpi is invited to become a independent director on the board of Reliance. I am holding some, I am also a rich person if I am going to be independent director in Reliance. So some shares every rich person will have. I am also having some 1000 shares of Reliance. It is somewhere around 0.5% of the total voting power is basically 0.5% of equity share capital I am having, because equity shares is a voting power will be there. 0.5% I am having. Can I be an independent director of Reliance? Yes, I can be. My relatives. Remember now who all are my relatives? Who all? Son's wife, daughter's husband, members of HUF. So all these people together, okay, say my brother is holding 0.5%, my mom, dad, they are holding say 0.5%, say my spouse is holding 0.5%, others are not holding. So total how much we are holding? 2% we are holding, no problem. But if my son, daughter, they also start holding 0.5%, 0.5%, what will happen? Total it will become 3%, then I cannot be a independent director on Reliance. Me and my relatives together should not hold more than 2%. Clear this is? Last point. If I am a CEO director of any not-profit organization, all of you know what is NPO, right? Not-for-profit organization. If I am a director of not-for-profit organization and more than 25% of the income of not-for-profit organization is coming from LG Ultra, then I cannot be a independent director in LG Ultra. Because then LG Ultra will tell, oh, we will stop giving donations to your NPO, do whatever we are saying. That is why if I am getting more than 25% of my receipt from those company, I cannot be. If I am a CEO or director of any not-profit organization that receives 25% or more of the receipt from the company or promoter or director or holding or subsidiary or associate or holds more than 2% of the total voting power, then I cannot be a independent director. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? NPO point, any problem is there? I am running an NPO. I get NPO, my NPO gets 100 crore donations in a year. More than 25 crore donation is coming from LG Ultra. I cannot be independent director on LG Ultra. Clear? Yes or no? Next point. None of the relatives of an independent director for the clause of subclause 2 and 3 of clause D. What is the subclause 2 and 3 of D? This. Sorry. This. Indebted and guarantee security. This I have already made you write down in the notes, so nothing to worry. I told you, this limits were prescribed later. If you see over here, what have I mentioned? As may be, but for your notes, I have given you the figure. Yes or no? Did you open your notes and see? What figure is mentioned? This all figure you should have remembered and told, and not you should not have had to go and check in the books. That type of alertness is required. So what is this figure which they have mentioned later ultimately? How much amount? And this is not applicable to, this is also mentioned in your notes. Is that okay? Any doubt in independent director now? It is clear? Sure? Alright. Now please read this options of independent director. Question answer. Already we did know this. We already did this, no? Yes or no? Yeah, we did this. Whether spouse of secretarial or statutory auditor can be appointed as independent director, yes or no? What is spouse of statutory auditor? Relative. Can he become an independent director? Read the answer now. Cannot be appointed, no. Okay. Can friend be considered independent? I already told you, friend is independent only. There is no concept where friend is known as a relative. Can spouse of independent director be independent? No, because relative of a director cannot be a independent director. First point. He should not. Third point. What is the third point? Not relative of promoter director. So if my husband is already a director in Reliance, can I also become an independent director of Reliance? No. Why? Because he was independent when he got appointed. But now when I want to get appointed, now what am I? I am relative of the director, so I cannot be a independent director. Is it absolutely clear? That's all about it for today's class. next class tomorrow we'll be doing all these things. Please revise and come. Today I invested a lot of time in explaining promoter, KMP, relative. I am not going to do it again. You should be knowing what has been taught. Okay, that is your work, not for me to repeat it again. Tomorrow I might not be able to finish because today I was not able to finish much portions. Tomorrow this chapter might not get over. From here you can see all procedures are there, no? Can you see this? Procedure, procedure, procedure. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also type of procedure only, 8. You have somewhere close to 10 to 12 procedures. Please read the procedures on your own. Okay. I'll stop the class for here today here only, and tomorrow we'll have the class as usual 3 to 7.